Well, what a day it was for the equity markets as we moved from strength to strength and supported by pretty healthy global cues. The markets were in firm fettle, clear Christmas joy being witnessed on the markets and the bourses as we went on to scale record highs. So for the Nifty, we touched a record of 13,692 levels, and for the Sensex, close to 46,707. And we shut shop around those levels. For the Nifty, we were up about 140 points to wrap up at 13,682. For the Sensex, powering through by 400 points to end at 46,666. And the broader markets too were in fine fettle. You did see a strong degree of outperformance there. The mid and the small cap indices both gaining in excess of 1%. You had support coming in from all quarters, but real estate definitely ruled the roost today, and that index was on fire, up by a good 5% in trade. Multiple reports doing the round as to what the trigger could potentially be for that. Other than that, you had support coming in from the likes of metals, you had pharmaceuticals, auto as well, which contributed. And all the sectors were in the green, but that was barring the PSU banking sector as well as the Nifty Bank. That was just about quiet in trade today. But all in all, you had that breadth that was firmly in favor of the gaining side. Some interesting movers on the frontline index then. You had a lot of leadership being witnessed in names like Hindalco, HDFC stood out today, Airtel did very well. You had ONGC that was upbeat, UPL that was another nifty gainer in trade. On the flip side though, you did have a little bit of drag coming in for the likes of ICICI Bank, Bajaj Finserv lost out, GAIL India, IndusInd Bank too. Within some of the newsmakers then in trade today, you had IBREL Bank in focus on the back of the QIP, ditto for Punjab National Bank, Embassy REITs, all of these looking to raise funds via the QIP route. M&M as well continued to be in focus. The company is looking at raising prices. You had the entire sugar basket, much reprieve coming in as Union Cabinet and the Cabinet meet took up the proposal for the incentives for exports for the sugar space. Burger King, and what a day it was, yet again scorching the charts on fire. Third straight day on the trot and nothing short of an absolute whopper performance. It was on upper circuit yet again. Within the broader universe, lots of activity being witnessed, not just in Burger King, but you also saw something like a Westlife which rallied and piggybacked on that momentum, something like Varun Beverages that did very well. Take a look at Hindustan Copper, no mean feat, 14% there. Indostar Capital put on a good 13%. The entire real estate basket, so DLF, Oberoi Realty, IBREL, all of those held out. CG Consumer, Bombay Dyeing, those were some of the smart movers in trade.